Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing something which I just received it a couple of days ago. So it's here. I've already looked at the content inside because I need to make sure what is inside, as I've actually ordered quite a number of things online and this popped by first. Alright, so let's open up. xMoWi. It's xMoWi T3 True Wireless Gaming Headset, right? It's a earbud. So this is actually sent to me by PLEXTONE. Now, so for those of you who don't know who is PLEXTONE, they are also behind the G5 wireless gaming headphone. If you're not sure, do click on this link here and go and check out the other unboxing which I did for the G5 headphone. So today is actually going to unboxing this one. So let's look at what are some of the information. So this is actually how the product will look like. It has RGB lighting. We'll take a look later. It has 65 millisecond low latency. It uses touch control, and this is how the cover will looks like. What other things they have? It's for gaming and music. Uses Bluetooth 5.0. What other information it has over here? The battery capacity is 40 milliamp. The case is 300 milliamp. It can last about 4 to 5 hours at 40% volume. Gaming time 3 to 4 hours at 40% volume. The case is able to charge the earpiece about 4 to 6 times. It uses USB-C. Nice, not bad. Charging times of 1.5 hours. 1.5. Okay, that's good. Let's get into it. Very basic packaging. So once you open up, you actually see a 1-year warranty card. You can just fill out the model, date, etc. And behind is actually a Chinese version. Next, ooh, mine is the white version. Hey, it looks a little bit like some Dragon Ball character, right? Some alien, like, you know, some nice alien head. Look at it. Nice, right? Cool. So the plastic material, matte finishing. Let's see if this logo can survive my scratch test, my finger scratch test. Put in 4 fingers. See if scratches. Right, close up. Nope, nothing. Zip. That's nice, right? This is the first test of its scratch resistance. No, not bad. Let's see how it holds up over the next few days when I put it into testing. Okay, so on the side, there's this like a rhombus or something on the side. This is the USB charging port. You can see here. Nothing else. There's no logo whatsoever, which is what I like besides this design here. Okay, maybe this is more what it represents to be gaming. Let's take a look inside. Flip open the lid. Ooh, it's like a spacecraft opening up, you see. So you will see the earbuds here lying facing outwards. This is for the left, this is for the right. Inside is more of a like a mix of shiny and matte, all right? The groove here is to house the top part of the earbuds, right? It's shiny. Okay, so let's take out the earpiece. But before we do that, let's look at what are other things in the packaging. So this one is a combination of the USB-C charging cable and the additional silicone seal. Get out. There's a single tin. It's all in white color. So I think it's a pretty short cable. USB-C to USB-A. And then just one set of additional silicone seal. Oh, it's pretty thick actually. Oh, it's pretty tough. All right, hard to press. This is good. And the inside the box, you have the user manual. Tell you how to use it, some of the basic information, how to wear it, power on, power off, how to connect, some of the basic functions, the touch control. Okay, pretty good. All right, so what you have in the box, you have the warranty card, you have the user manual, you have the charging cable, 1 pair of additional earbud, the product itself. So let's get into the main thing. We took a look at it earlier. Let's put all this aside. Just now we open it up, right? So let's pop it up open and we take out the earbud. The earbuds, see here, it reminds me of like AirPods Pro. The shape looks like AirPods Pro, the head itself, and then the tip here like tapered to the end, and there's a groove here. Probably this is where the microphone is. Let me zoom in. Yeah, pick up your voice so they can use it for game communication, use it for phone calls, etc. Pogo pins here, the shiny in gold. Let's look at the let's look at the ear tip. Looks like plastic cover, and then there's another, I don't know what is this, there's a hole here, maybe it's to detect in-ear or something, not too sure, or maybe it's to relieve the ear pressure. So this part is this part you see here, this is the touch control. You'll see some nice design groove here, right? And then it's blinking red and blue, so it means that it's currently undergoing pairing mode. It's waiting for something to pair it up. I'm gonna grab my phone and see how it pairs up.
A few moments later.
I have my phone here, so I'm going to pick up the earpiece, and then you see H3 pop up on the menu. Tap on it. Connected. Alright, so let's test maybe the sound. Pretty soft actually. Not too sure if you can actually pick it up. Let's change another music whereby it's slightly a bit louder. Very, very soft. Let me put the earbuds on and see how the music goes. Music output isn't very loud actually, right? But yes, decent bass. Let's try another music. So I have my own music to test the earbuds. One of them is Skater Boy. Not bad. Okay, another one, The Way I Are. Decent. The bass is decent. Let's try Titanium. Instrument separation is there. Soundstage is there. Not bad. Vocals is good. Impressive. Okay, good. But it's just that the audio output is not really very loud here. But it's bearable, right? I mean, this has been my initial impression, right, of the xMoWi T3 gaming wireless earbud. I haven't tested it for gaming yet, but I'll definitely put it through the test. So that has been my unboxing and my initial impression of the xMoWi, I'm not too sure what it is, xMoWi T3, alright, gaming wireless earbud. And my name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.